To maintain the gas Vario's appearance, follow these simple recommendations for cleaning. Always allow the Vario to cool down before handling the components. The cast iron grates can be removed and washed with hot soapy water. The stainless steel surface can also be cleaned with hot soapy water and a soft cleaning cloth. Avoid using the scrubbing side of a sponge, which may scratch the stainless steel. To remove heavy soiling or discoloration caused by high heat cooking, a special stainless steel cleaner is available from the Gaggenau eShop. The brass burners can be removed and disassembled for cleaning when cool. To remove the burned-on debris from your culinary adventures from the burners, wash them with hot soapy water and use a paste made from a non-abrasive cleanser such as the Barkeeper's Friend to remove stubborn stains. Be sure to take care not to plug any of the gas ports with the paste. Another option to remove staining is to soak the burners in a solution of 1 part water and 1 part white vinegar for 15 minutes. Cleaning the burners will restore the sheen, but once heated, the burners will dull down again. While brass burners do darken over time, the performance will never be diminished if they are well cared for. In order to ensure successful ignition of the burner, all the pieces of the burner need to be very dry before being placed back into position. To avoid ignition problems, make sure the individual parts of the burner are fitted in the correct position and straight when replacing them. Make sure the burner head and the burner ring fit so that the locking catches on the bottom of the burner and snaps into the appropriate recesses.